This is a familiar sight, right? So I am taking the boat to the Asiatique Riverfront. Currently they are hosting the Disney 100 Village exhibition. As you can see, this is a very beautiful place. It has been around for 10 years. I am going there for food and I am staying at a nearby hotel. So if you plan to stay at a hotel near Asiatique, we are recommending this hotel. Just walking distance from Asiatique Hotel, this is Hotel Once. It is a boutique hotel and we have been staying here for a few times. This is a very beautiful hotel and this is the lobby, and right now I'm going to show their rooms. Hey guys, this is Wilson from Places and Foods. I have checked in at Hotel Once again, but I'm staying at a different suite this time. So as you can see, I just checked in late at night and I'm just going to show you this room, which is not the jacuzzi room, but this is as good or probably better. They actually offer a kitchen. So if you plan to cook, this is the room that you should book. Link at description, so more information at description. So you have like a basin, there's a tabletop, you have an oven here, microwave oven, there's like a kitchen hood here. Okay, and over here there's a kettle, coffee machine, mini bar. Okay. Some of the tableware is here. Oops. Okay. The kitchenware is around here, and there's nothing here. The spoon and the fork is here. Yep, empty. Move on to here. There's a cupboard. That's the safe here. Okay, there's an umbrella, there's a torchlight. And moving forward here, there's a proper working desk with the universal power plug. There's the HDMI. So over here, this to put the keyboard or your laptop. There's like a nice fur chair over here. The room, nice comfortable room with two side lights, flat screen TV. For the coffee, this is the luscious bath bomb that you can purchase to put on the bathtub, which I'm going to explain later. Here, this is like a nice reading corner. Really nice, right? It's like a small studio apartment. Okay, basin over here. This is where all the girls do the makeup. I just like this decor here. The bathrobe is over here. You have a scale, you have the toilet with the bidet. Oh man, love this bathtub, guys. And over here, there are the towels. Here we put the used towels. And here is a standing shower. Whoa, this is really impressive. Well, as much as I like the jacuzzi suite, I think this is really impressive as well. If you are staying at Hotel Once Bangkok, remember to check out their a la carte breakfast. They will deliver to your doorstep every morning. Each guest can choose up to 2 different types of a la carte breakfast. For the breakfast, they offer local or Western food and they are really delicious. The hotel also comes with outdoor swimming pool and it is really quiet here. So this is Hotel Once. It is just walking distance to Asiatique. This is at the different part of Bangkok. And if you want something new, something fun, something exciting with reasonable pricing, check the description for this room. And this is Hotel One's Bangkok. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please do comment. And take care, everyone. Happy traveling to Bangkok.